Greetings, celestial enthusiasts. Welcome to Lux Estate, your one-stop channel for all things mystical, unique, and intriguing. We are on a cosmic journey, exploring the mysteries of the universe, unraveling the unknown, and delving deep into the fascinating world of astrology. Our mission? To help you understand the stars and their stories. Because remember, every star in the cosmos has a story to tell. Let's unravel them together. Now, on to today's topic. Astrology, a celestial science, a language of the universe, a cosmic dance of planets and stars. It is a time-honored tradition, tracing its roots back to the ancient civilizations of Mesopotamia, Egypt, and Greece. Over thousands of years, it has evolved, integrating elements from various cultures and philosophies around the globe. From the intricate Vedic astrology of India to the symbolic zodiac of the West, astrology has been a guiding force in human lives, shaping destinies and offering insights into the grand tapestry of existence. It's a study of cosmic correlations, the exploration of the unique relationship between the macrocosm of the universe and the microcosm of individual experience. Astrology is not just about predicting the future or reading horoscopes. It's a profound and intricate study of the cosmos and its influence on our lives. It's about understanding the celestial language, decoding the cosmic narrative, and making sense of our place in the grand scheme of things. Astrology is more than just horoscopes. It's a profound and intricate study of the cosmos and its influence on our lives. Before diving into the world of astrology, it's essential to understand its core elements. Consider them as the fundamental building blocks of astrology. Let's start with the zodiac. The zodiac is a circle of 12 30-degree divisions of celestial longitude, each representing a different sign. These signs are imbued with distinct characteristics and tendencies that might resonate with your personality and life events. Next come the planets. In astrology, each planet represents a different aspect of life. For instance, Venus rules love and beauty, while Mars governs desire and aggression. The Sun and Moon, though not technically planets, hold a special place in astrology, representing our core self and emotional self, respectively. Then we have the houses. The astrological chart is divided into 12 houses, each corresponding to different life areas. Your career, relationships, and personal growth are all represented here. The positioning of planets in these houses during your birth influences these areas of your life. Lastly, we have aspects. Aspects describe the angles between planets on the astrological chart. They can represent harmonious or challenging energies in one's life. These core elements, the zodiac, planets, houses, and aspects, intertwine to create a complex and insightful portrait of a person's life and potential. Understanding these elements is not just about learning their individual meanings, but about seeing how they interact to form the intricate tapestry of astrology. Mastering these elements is the first step towards becoming an astrologer. Astrology isn't something you can master overnight. It requires patience, dedication, and a thirst for knowledge. Delving into the celestial world is like embarking on a journey that spans light years, across galaxies and through time itself. It's not a weekend hobby, but a lifelong commitment of intellectual exploration and spiritual growth. The stars and planets may seem distant and unchanging, but our understanding of them, just like the universe, is always evolving. This means that an astrologer's education never truly ends. You'll find yourself constantly learning, constantly questioning, and constantly refining your interpretations. The commitment required to study astrology is akin to that of an artist perfecting their craft or a scientist unraveling the mysteries of nature. It's an ongoing process, a labor of love that demands your time, focus, and above all, your patience. Like the universe itself, the study of astrology is vast and ever-expanding. Astrology holds immense power, and with great power comes great responsibility. Now let's delve into the ethical aspects of astrology. Astrologers hold a unique position of trust. They have access to intimate details of a person's life, and this information must be treated with the utmost respect and confidentiality. Breaching this trust isn't just unprofessional, it's unethical. Further, astrologers must avoid making fatalistic predictions. The stars may guide us, but they don't define our destiny. It's important to remember that astrology should inspire, not instill fear. And that brings us to our final point, respecting free will. Astrology offers insights, not instructions. It's a tool for understanding, not a guidebook dictating every step of our journey. Ethical astrologers understand this and use their knowledge to empower their clients, to help them navigate life's challenges, not to control or manipulate their decisions. Ethics in astrology is about using this powerful tool to empower, not to control or manipulate. Astrology and psychology, two sides of the same coin. This may seem like a surprising statement at first, but the more you delve into astrology, the more you'll see the parallels. Astrology, much like psychology, seeks to understand the human psyche. It's a language that decodes our behaviors, attitudes, and tendencies. Astrology can be seen as the psychology of the cosmos. It looks at the influence of celestial bodies on the human psyche. Understanding astrology, therefore, can provide a unique lens through which to interpret human behavior. The birth chart, a fundamental tool in astrology, is like a psychological profile. It maps out the planetary positions at the time of birth, revealing our strengths, weaknesses, and potential challenges, much like a psychological assessment would. So, as an aspiring astrologer, gaining knowledge in psychology can greatly enhance your astrological interpretations. It can help you provide more profound, nuanced readings. Astrology, at its core, is a tool for understanding ourselves and others better. Skepticism isn't a stumbling block in astrology, it's a stepping stone. Now that might sound counterintuitive. After all, as budding astrologers, shouldn't we immerse ourselves entirely in the celestial realm? Well, yes, but not blindly. Skepticism is, in fact, a vital ingredient in our astrological journey. It pushes us to question our sources. There's a myriad of astrological texts and theories out there. Skepticism urges us to distinguish between the well-founded and the unsupported, the reliable and the questionable. It's an impetus to delve deeper, to seek out the root of a theory before accepting it as truth. Moreover, skepticism fuels the testing of theories. It's a call to apply what we've learned, to see if the cosmic patterns we've studied truly manifest in our everyday experiences. And most importantly, maintaining a critical mindset helps to keep astrology relevant. It prevents us from becoming lost in the cosmos, ensuring we remain anchored to reality. Remember, healthy skepticism keeps astrology grounded and relevant. Turning passion into profession, astrology as a business. When it comes to transforming your interest in astrology into a full-blown career, there's a lot to consider. From setting up your practice to building a client base, being in the business of astrology requires more than just a keen understanding of star signs and planetary movements. It's about being an entrepreneur, a marketer, and an astrologer all at once. Potential challenges include the unpredictable nature of income and the necessity of constant self-promotion. However, the rewards can be plentiful. There's the joy of helping others navigate their lives, the freedom of being your own boss, and the opportunity to delve deeper into a subject you love. Remember, establishing an astrology business isn't just about interpreting celestial patterns. It's about providing a service that can bring comfort, guidance, and insight to others. It's about connecting your passion with your profession and making it work for you. Astrology as a business is about balancing passion with pragmatism. Astrology is not a solitary pursuit. It thrives in community. Just as the planets and stars form a harmonious celestial community, so too should astrologers on Earth. The benefits of being part of an astrological community are immense. Firstly, it provides a platform for learning from others. The universe is vast and ever-changing, and there's always something new to discover. Being part of a community of like-minded individuals, all passionate about the cosmos, can significantly enhance your understanding and knowledge. Secondly, a community fosters sharing. As you navigate the complexities of the celestial sphere, you'll uncover insights and interpretations that others may not have considered. Sharing these findings not only enriches the collective knowledge, but also sparks enlightening discussions. Lastly, community is about building connections. We are all stardust, interconnected in the cosmic web. By forming relationships with fellow astrologers, you're not just expanding your network, but also strengthening the bonds that tie us all to the universe. Together, we shine brighter. So, you're ready to embark on your astrological journey. But before you do, let's recap. We've traversed the vast cosmos of astrology, starting with its core elements, the celestial bodies, houses, and aspects. We've underlined the importance of patience and dedication in grasping the intricate details of this ancient study. We've emphasized the significance of ethical practice, understanding its profound impact on people's lives. We've explored the intersection of astrology and psychology, highlighting the role of intuition and empathy. We've advocated for a healthy dose of skepticism to keep our interpretations grounded. We've discussed the practicalities of turning your passion for astrology into a business and the importance of community and learning and growing as an astrologer. And that's it, celestial enthusiasts. 10 things you need to know before becoming an astrologer. And remember, the stars are the limit. Don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more cosmic content. Until next time, keep looking up.